Welcome to the top 3 most extraordinary motorhomes redefining luxury on wheels. These aren't just vehicles designed to move you from one place to another. Number 3. We have the Nebula Phantom V7. This is the motorhome that feels like it escaped from a future city skyline. From the very first glance, the Phantom V7 doesn't resemble a traditional RV in any way. Its deep black exterior is sculpted with sharp, angular geometry, broken only by precise LED light lines that run across the body like digital circuits. It looks experimental, bold, and unapologetically futuristic. This is not a motorhome built to blend in. It's built to signal that the future has arrived. The stance is low and wide, supported by a multi-axle configuration that gives it a planted, aggressive presence. Underneath, an adaptive suspension system works constantly to keep the vehicle stable. As it cruises through urban roads or stretches out on long highways, the body remains composed, firm, and level. This isn't a soft, floating ride, it's a controlled, confident one. The Phantom V7 feels anchored to the road, even while moving, prioritizing precision over comfort. Step into the cockpit and the experience becomes even more intense. The driver's area feels like a control pod rather than a conventional cockpit. Wraparound digital displays dominate the dashboard, presenting navigation, vehicle diagnostics, camera feeds, and system controls in a clean, futuristic layout. Every screen feels purpose-built, reducing distraction and increasing awareness. The seating is sculpted and supportive, designed to keep the driver alert and engaged during long journeys. This is a motorhome meant to be driven with intention, not casually piloted. Inside, the interior continues the same disciplined, futuristic language. Dark graphite tones dominate the walls and cabinetry, paired with matte black surfaces and subtle metallic accents. Soft LED lighting is integrated into ceiling lines and architectural edges, adding warmth without decoration. The lounge area is compact and structured, designed more for presence and aesthetics than casual relaxation. Seating is firm, minimal, and architectural, reinforcing the idea that this space was designed with precision in mind. As you move deeper inside, the layout feels deliberate. Storage compartments sit flush with the walls, hidden behind seamless panels that preserve visual continuity. The kitchen is minimal and efficient, with concealed appliances and flush cabinetry that keeps everything visually clean. It's functional, but intentionally restrained, designed for short, efficient use rather than elaborate cooking sessions. The bedroom feels like a private capsule, enclosed and calm, with controlled lighting and clean surfaces that reinforce the futuristic theme. It's a space designed for isolation and focus, not indulgence. The bathroom follows the same approach, compact and modern, finished in dark materials and sharp geometry, offering practicality without excess. The Nebula Phantom V7 is built for early adopters, collectors, and those who want to live inside a statement. It's bold, daring, and visually unforgettable. Pricing typically starts around $1.8 million, climbing higher with customization. It earns the number 3 spot because it pushes design forward, but it sacrifices warmth and everyday comfort in the process. Number 2. Luxury takes on a very different character. This is the Aurex Titan Royale, a motorhome that feels like a hypercar transformed into a mobile mansion. Finished in warm beige and champagne tones, its exterior blends aggressive geometry with refined elegance. Sharp lines and sculpted panels give it a commanding presence, while premium finishes ensure it still feels sophisticated rather than intimidating. This is a motorhome designed to turn heads without feeling hostile. The ride quality here is noticeably smoother. An advanced air suspension system adapts continuously to road conditions, allowing the Titan Royale to glide over highways with confidence. Vibrations are softened, body movement is controlled, and long-distance travel feels effortless. This motorhome is designed for comfort without sacrificing performance, offering a balance that makes extended journeys genuinely enjoyable. The cockpit reflects that balance perfectly. Sculpted seats provide comfort without sacrificing support, while the refined dashboard integrates digital displays in a way that feels intuitive and familiar. Visibility is excellent, controls are logically placed, and long drives feel enjoyable rather than tiring. This cockpit is built for owners who actually want to drive their motorhome, not just sit back and observe. Step inside, and the interior opens into a world of refined luxury. Light beige surfaces, warm metallic accents, and soft ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels exclusive and expensive without being overwhelming. The lounge area is spacious and inviting, with premium seating arranged to encourage conversation and relaxation. This space feels designed for living, not just occupying. The sense of openness becomes more apparent. Large windows allow natural light to flow throughout the space, enhancing the feeling of a luxury residence rather than a vehicle. The kitchen is fully equipped and beautifully integrated, featuring high-end finishes, concealed storage, and enough space to prepare meals comfortably on the road. This is a kitchen designed for real use, whether it's a quick breakfast or a full evening meal. The dining area flows naturally, reinforcing a sense of openness and livability that makes long stays feel effortless. The bedroom feels like a high-end hotel suite. Soft lighting, refined materials, and generous proportions make it a space you'd actually look forward to resting in after a long day. The bathroom continues that theme, offering premium fixtures, elegant surfaces, and more room than you'd expect in a motorhome, allowing daily routines to feel normal rather than compromised. The Aurex Titan Royale is designed for those who want to travel in style and be noticed while doing it. It's luxurious, dramatic, and unapologetically bold. Pricing typically ranges from $2.60 to $3.20 million, depending on customization. It earns the number 2 spot because it delivers real luxury living, but it still plays within familiar boundaries. And now, we arrive at number 1. This is the Obsidian Sovereign X. From the outside, the Sovereign X doesn't scream for attention, it commands it quietly. Its dark graphite exterior features subtle camo-style textures and smooth sculpted surfaces that feel powerful yet refined. The proportions are balanced, the stance is confident, and every line feels intentional. This is a motorhome that radiates authority without excess, projecting confidence rather than spectacle. Underneath, a fully adaptive suspension system keeps the vehicle perfectly composed at all times. Whether navigating city streets or stretching across open highways, the Sovereign X remains stable, smooth, and unshaken. Body movement is virtually eliminated, creating a ride that feels solid and effortless, as if the road itself has been engineered for this machine. Long journeys feel calm, controlled, and remarkably quiet. The cockpit is nothing short of commanding. Expansive digital displays blend seamlessly with refined physical controls, surrounding the driver in premium materials and intelligent design. Seating is deeply supportive, built for long journeys without fatigue. Every element is placed to reduce stress and maximize control, creating an environment that feels powerful yet composed. Inside, the Sovereign X opens into an expansive, architectural interior that feels closer to a luxury residence than a vehicle. Dark neutral tones mix with warm accents and soft integrated lighting, creating an atmosphere that is calm, confident, and refined. The lounge area is open and elegant, designed for both relaxation and presence, with seating that balances comfort and structure. The kitchen is seamlessly integrated, with high-end appliances hidden behind flush cabinetry. It's built for daily use without clutter, allowing the space to remain visually calm even during extended stays. The dining area feels intentional and private, reinforcing the sense of exclusivity and control over one's environment. The bedroom is a true sanctuary. Minimal, quiet, and beautifully finished, it offers comfort on a level few motorhomes can match. Soft lighting and premium materials create a space designed for genuine rest, free from distraction. The bathroom completes the experience, feeling more like a private spa than an RV facility, with refined finishes and generous proportions. What truly separates the Obsidian Sovereign X from everything else is its dedicated office and workspace. A refined executive desk, concealed technology, and controlled lighting transform part of the interior into a mobile headquarters. This motorhome isn't just for travel. It's for leadership, decision-making, and productivity on the move, allowing work and life to coexist without compromise. With pricing starting around $4 million and reaching beyond $4.8 million with full customization, the Obsidian Sovereign X earns the #1 spot not just for its luxury, but for its vision. Now the decision is yours. Which one would you choose? the futuristic edge of the Nebula Phantom V7, the dramatic elegance of the Aurex Titan Royale, or the unmatched authority of the Obsidian Sovereign X? Drop your pick in the comments. And if luxury on wheels is your world, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next video is even crazier.